I'm going to try to disconnect the rest of the wiring, get the whole wiring harness out, clear up a little space. So that's where that plugs in there. Looks like they had a little trouble with it, whoever the prior owner was. So that's, we'll have to see how we do that. We're going to fix that. This goes right there. So green with the green, black with the black, and it looks like orange with the orange down in there. Not sure if I got this. So it looks like the uncovered is to the right of the switch and the covered is to the left of the switch. Probably should both be covered, but that's how I'll remember it later. This orange harness, it cracked a little bit. We'll see if it holds when I go to put it back together.